Within the Program Manager, you have the tools to be able to import your partner's mailing list. Whether you're importing it for them or you need to import it so you can execute something for the partner. To start, locate the partner account you want to import data for. So we'll choose this Acme Communications group. That will bring you to the Partner Summary screen. From the Partner Summary screen, you'll choose the Mailing List tab located at the bottom of the page. And this will load a list of all previous lists that have been imported. As you can see, there's a purchase list here. However, no contacts have been imported. So we're going to go ahead and import a new mailing list. To create a new mailing list, I will click the New Mailing List button. A little window will display. It'll ask you to give your mailing list a name, so I'll name it Prospects. You'll have a couple options here. The option you want to choose is to import from CSV. So this means you will have an Excel file of the data you would like to import into StructuredWeb. It can be a CSV file or an Excel file, so .csv or .xls or xlsx. You choose the Save button. It goes ahead and creates that list for you, and then you'll have two options here. If you're importing profile information, you want to choose the Advanced option. If you're not importing advanced information such as business size, credit rating, revenue, things of that nature, again, choose Basic. This imports their basic information: first name, last name, company name, email address. So we'll choose Basic. We'll just scroll down and we'll choose this Continue button. Next field is to browse for your import file. So I'll select the Browse button. I choose my CSV file, which is this import list. I choose Upload. It provides you a preview of the import file. Everything is matched here for you. If this file was corrupt or there was something wrong with it, instead of seeing nice characters here, you may see squares or upside down question marks. If you see that, that typically means the import file has some type of corruption. So you may want to resave it or copy and paste it into a new workbook. Otherwise, choose the Continue button again. And that brings you to our field relationship page. On the left-hand side are all the fields within StructuredWeb. On the right-hand side are all the fields within your Excel file. It's a simple matching process. We will detect and try to match it for you exactly, but as you can see, it's not perfect. It tried to match address to the address field, so I'll choose a drop-down box and I'll set this to none. Obviously, if you're sending out emails, you want to make sure that the email option is matched, so I'll go over to my email field. I'll choose a drop-down box and I'll map it to email address, which is field number 8. So you want to go through and match all the fields properly. When you're done, you choose Continue. It brings you to a confirmation screen just telling you that these are the fields that you're matching. If it's correct, choose Continue again, and now you're ready to process your file. If you need to abandon the process, you can obviously abandon it here. Otherwise, you click Continue, and that imports the data for you. As you can see, it brings us to a summary screen with customers that have been ignored. It'll tell you the reason why. If they've already existed in the database, it'll just update them with new information that's been provided. Or if they're not in the database, it will then create them as new, and these are the customers that were created as new customers within the database. From here, you can click your mailing list tab up at the top, and as you can see, my prospects list has been created. There's 5 contacts in it, and as you begin marketing to this list, it will let you know how many have been rejected, how many have unsubscribed, and if you use direct mail, how many rejections and how many unsubscribes. If you need to add additional contacts to either one of the lists that are here, you'll just choose this Add to List option located on the right, and then you'll have the same options as before, and you'll choose the Import from CSV option. As you can see, importing mailing lists for partners is a fairly quick and straightforward process. As always, if you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, you can email us at service@structuredweb.com. Thank you.